Welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I would like to show you delicious Christmas cake poppy seed roll Makowiec. My favorite cake is so delicious. Let's go start. Now I will pour boiling water over the poppy seed. I will leave poppy seed overnight. Next day I will cook poppy seed on medium-high heat. Poppy seed is done. Now I will drain the rest of the water. Next step, the nuts I will put in a food processor. Coconut. Next step, I will combine the all ingredients first: butter, honey. I will turn heat medium high. Vanilla. Now I'm adding walnut and coconut, raisin and cranberry, orange peels. In Polish tradition, we always make poppy seed cake for Christmas. Each family has a secret recipe. I got this recipe from my mom. She's been making poppy seed cake from scratch. Now I'm adding poppy seed, and now I'll combine everything together. It takes a few minutes to combine everything. Okay, it's done. Now I have to wait when poppy seed filling cool down. I'll be ready for next process. Next step, 4 egg white. I'll be egg white and done. Now I'm adding egg whites to poppy seed filling and combine everything. You can see this filling is very rich and looks delicious already. Okay, it's done. Flour, 5 cups, dry yeast, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of sugar and warm milk, half a cup. The yeast is floaty. Now I will put more ingredients. 4 egg yolks, 1 cup of warm milk, sugar, half a cup, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, vanilla, 1 tablespoon. The last part I will add warm melt butter, 1 more cup of flour. The dough is done. Now I will keep in a warm place for about 2 hours. On the flour board I just take a small portion of dough, poppy seed filling on the top of my dough. Just spread evenly, just leave the side and roll. Pretty tight. Roll. Like this. And the end of roll, just bend the sides like this and roll. On egg white, brush the one side. And now we can connect and it's done. Look at this, looks beautiful. And what I do next, because I want to keep the nice shape of poppy seed roll, I take the paper, parchment paper, roll poppy seed cake in parchment paper, make nice and tight. Poppy seed rolls looks like a double size and it's ready to put in the oven. Poppy seed rolls I put in the oven. Temperature is 350 degrees and I'll bake for 45 minutes until the rolls are nice and gold color. The 45 minutes pass and looks like poppy seed roll is done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo.